Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically stop songs on Spotify. So if you guys want to probably play the song to before you sleep, but you don't want to overplay by finding in the morning that your phone is dead because you listening to music for too long. So I'm going to show you how to automatically stop songs on Spotify. So here you can see for example, I'm listening to this song and I want to make it stop automatically. So what you need to do is you play the song first, and then you'll find the three dots icon at the top of the song. So just click on that, and then here you'll find the sleep timer. So use this feature to make the Spotify or the songs to sleep automatically or to stop automatically. So just click on that, and here you will see the minutes, so you can stop audio in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30, 45, 1 hour, or the end of the track. So for example, you just want to listen to the song and you want to stop it at the end of the track, so you can just click on that, and then your sleep timer is set and it will stop automatically. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can stop songs automatically on Spotify. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.